Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to work on view.php. Go to EP and in this folder open file view.php. But also logout.php. If you click on this button logout, then the logout.php file is open. And this file if session start, did user browser set the cookie, so you delete the cookies by using this functionality. So set cookie, session name, and then time. So clear all session variables. So in this way you can delete session variables, because by using session variables we can identify whether the user is authorized user or not authorized user. So by using session variables like user ID that we store in at the time of login, so destroy these all the variables. So here in logout, if I open logout, so destroy or delete, clear or destroy these variables, and after that refer it to index.php. Whenever you click on logout, it will go to logout.php, and after in logout.php you will refer to the index.php. So user don't see this file, it's directly automatically the header location is converted user request to the index.php. So you can download this file, link is given in the video description. Just simple copy and paste the file. The key idea is this: if I open courses and I want to view description. So if I want to view description, so what it means? So the course description consisting of 100 or 100 words, or one paragraph or two paragraphs. So you cannot display here. So simply give a button, and button is here. Whenever you click on button, the course description is here. So similarly, whenever you click on this button, the course description is here. And also for content also, you cannot display the content here, but so here is the content, lecture name, and in blog section similarly you can add the button. So this is your task. In library, so look at view button, this is the book, and this button is for view the name and the description of the book. So and the instructor. So instructor, library, and courses contain this functionality. So you can view the description of the instructor like this way. So all the functionality is in this file. So first of all, check whether the valid user or not. After that, the user get the username and the simple HTML code, and here welcome message. And first of all, I want to recognize that the where get request is come. So if is set get ID, so if the request like this one, our course ID or instructor ID or library ID. If request is like this, get variable is like this or like this, course ID or instructor ID or blood ID. If not one of them, then else no content is found. And if this condition is true, get the ID and you can get the content from the content table. So here, first of all, after this if condition, you simply, this is, sorry for this, and we have like this one, save it. So if this condition is false, then we will go at the bottom of the page and suppose if I click on view button and in this I'll change the request, then what will happen? There's nothing to do. So after checking this if condition request, the end of this if condition is here. So you can allow the else part for this condition, and else part is here, invalid request. And if I enter, so here is the message invalid request. So if request other than course ID, instructor ID and library ID, you can delete or show the message that invalid request. So user change the if you someone change the address of location, means URL change, so our website responds properly. So first of all, check that if the get variable is ID, index is set, then display the content of the course content, like from lectures, display the lecture here. If the request from course ID, then display the description of the course. If instructor ID, then display the description about instructor. And if request is from library ID, then display the description about book. So firstly identify the request and then fetch the data according to the requirement. One view page is for lectures, course description, instructor description, and book description. So first of all identify the request and then fetch the data according to the request. So ID and get the lecture data and display here. If course ID is given, then fetch the data about course ID. So you can fetch the data according to the condition. So here just change the variable name. And also here change the so here also just copy pasted code but working properly. So here set, and also you can change like this and like this, save it refresh, and now you can view the code. Go to content, you can click here, and content is here, our lecture is here according to our plan. You can view the library, book description. So book description is here according to our plan. So in this way, instead of showing long description into table, you can view the description in our separate file. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and please subscribe our channel.